Ladies and gentlemen, let's talk about downsizing. Not the corporate kind where you lose your job, but the kind where you swap a 2,000 square foot, 186 square meters house for a space smaller than a high-end walk-in closet. Today, we're diving into the Genesis Tiny Home, a house so compact that if you lose your keys, you'll find them in 0.3 seconds. No treasure hunt required. Before we continue, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Why? Because we bring you the coolest, quirkiest, and sometimes borderline absurd innovations in the world of transportation and apparently tiny living. So hit that button before you disappear into a 135 square foot, 12.5 square meters existence. All right, back to the Genesis Tiny Home. If you've ever dreamed of living in a space so cleverly designed that even a squirrel would be impressed, this is it. This 135 square foot, 12.5 square meters marvel is all about making every inch count. The designers must have had a PhD in Tetris because they've turned this micro palace into a fully functional home. The large bay windows make sure you don't feel like you're living in a shoebox, flooding the space with enough natural light to keep your plants and your mood alive. The full ceiling height also tricks your brain into thinking you're in a much bigger space. That's right, visual illusions aren't just for magicians. Now, the kitchen. You can customize it with an oven, a drawer dishwasher, fancy, or even a built-in table. That means you can cook, wash dishes, and eat, all within arm's reach. Convenient? Absolutely. Lazy-proof? Maybe. The extra cabinetry ensures that you don't have to store your cereal in your sock drawer, and there's even a fridge neatly tucked into the staircase. That's right, the stairs double as storage. Upstairs, you've got a loft that fits a queen-size bed, 152 centimeters by 203 centimeters, plus a little bump-out area for a nightstand. That's a game changer, because let's be honest, having to balance your glass of water on your stomach at night is not a sustainable practice. The sleek black railing adds a modern touch, and there's an egress window for ventilation, because no one wants to wake up feeling like they're in a terrarium. In the bathroom, you get a 36-inch, 91 centimeters shower, a standard flush toilet, because some tiny home make you do weird things with composting, and even an enclosed laundry space that fits a combination washer-dryer. That means you don't have to rely on laundromats or hand wash your socks in the sink like you're in a survival show. Climate control? You're covered. The Genesis comes with a mini split system for heating and cooling, and a propane-powered instant hot water heater keeps things toasty year-round. And for those of you worried about quality, this thing is built on a custom in-house trailer and fully National Organization of Alternative Housing certified, meaning it meets high safety and durability standards. So it's tiny, but it's not fragile. Now, let's talk numbers. The special inventory price is $39,500 United States dollars, which is around 37,500 euros. That's less than the price of some luxury sport utility vehicles, but instead of leather seats and a sunroof, you get an entire home. Plus, it doesn't need gas, just a decent parking spot. If you're looking for a tiny home that maximizes every inch while keeping things stylish and practical, the Genesis is definitely worth checking out. And guess what? There's a link to the official product website in the video description below. So go take a look, and who knows, maybe your next home is just a few clicks away.